Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Pretty cool to design with some interactive fill on the lines themselves. So I thought I'd show you how to do that. And it's really pretty easy if you follow a couple of the first rules. Number one, take a six-sided star and hit P and put it in the center of the page. Then turn it to a five-sided star. Now bring in indexing line, and that's the true center, but that's what Corel is telling you the center. So we're going to take a 3-point curve line and go right from the center outwardly and then put a little bit of a curve on it. I am going to Control D and duplicate that line, and then I'm going to move it to there, to that node. I'm going to double check, make sure it's there, and it is. Then I'm going to rotate 22.5 degrees, or any amount you want to do, all the way around. Your line just has to be long enough to reach all the parts, and that's good. Now what I want to do is I want to take my star away. I'm going to see how big that is. So 25 inches is enough. I'm going to move my star away for a second, and I am going to take all these and go up to Object and convert the outline to, well, first of all, I need to take all these and make them thicker. So I'm going to make them something thicker than a hairline. Then I'm going to go to Object with them all grouped or all selected and turn them into an outline. And then I'm going to go to Object, because this is going to help us later, is to group them together. Now I'm going to bring the star back, zoom in here a little bit, and get the smart or the interactive fill tool or the smart fill tool and just start filling in. I'm just going to do some easy colors just for the video and do multiples, or you could do anything you wanted to do, any color, but I'm just trying to make the video easy to kind of follow along. And whoop. And then you could get some, really different colors. I haven't used red yet, so I'm going to use red here in a second. And by grouping those lines together, I'm going to use one more color. Haven't used that pink. By grouping those lines together, when I take them away, I'm going to nudge them away. I got that. Now, I'm going to grab the star, try to. I didn't get it, so I'm going to nudge that out of the way. And then I can grab the star and nudge it down. I can put this back. Now what I'm going to do is take the star itself and basically just turn it gray, take away the outline, and then go to the interactive filter. And you could do a lot with this and change to a ellipse, put that in the center, go a little darker on the outside, and you could actually have different color. And we're going to do that this time. I'm just going to add different grays and blacks. That's a pretty neat look within itself. We'll just see what this looks like. I'm not going to use a white. I'm going to use grays and blacks and make circle. Well, I don't know what I did there. I guess I didn't hit the box. And just keep getting grays. I'm hoping someday somebody will chime in and tell me how I could just add a bunch of boxes real quick and not worry about the colors. So that's pretty cool looking. Now we can, first of all, I'm going to group all this together, Control G, doesn't really matter. Take this, go up to Object, order back a page because it's the last thing we made, so it'll be on top. And look at that. Look what it did to the pattern of the star. And if we bring in a black box, it really makes it stand out. Take away the indexing line. It really, this particular case, you know what? I need to put it in the back of the page. There we go. That's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. And thank you for watching.